when you start to use your poker, you need to give gas. So you check about your system panel. The first column, the gas inlet valve closed. The second column, the gas protection valve closed. And the third, the gas outlet valve closed. At this moment, you can start to give your gas. When you open your cylinder, don't forget to stand behind your cylinder or in the right hand side. In your case, you may stand behind the cylinder when you open the main valve. Then when the main valve open, you slowly increase the pressure. Make sure it's not over 1 bar. You can send it into 1 bar or slightly lower. And this valve, don't touch it. You can keep it fully open. Now it's fully open. If you close it, there will be no gas flow to your system. And then send the pressure for oxygen and nitrogen with same value. Keep it at 1 bar. Pay attention to your flow meter. Your flow meter unit at the oxygen and the nitrogen, the accuracy is different. Don't be confused and make the pressure too high. Anyway, you make sure your pressure is less than 1 bar to be easily for you to handle. If the pressure can provide enough flow, you can even use 0.5 or 0.4 bars. That is more than enough. It's much easier for your system. When it's gas is given, you can turn on the gas inlet. Then you can see the pressure of your indicator will indicate the need pressure at this moment. Then you can step by step to give the gas to the flow stage. And then this side you can start to plug it out by opening it. And for how to control the flow, you can send it to zero first during the first time used, and plugging the gas, open the valve, then to slowly increase the flow to your predicted value at the first time. And after that, you can fix this value, just not close it after finish use. Then by next time started, it will follow your last setting. For example, this flow meter, just now you have set it at 10 liter per minute, so we will not touch it. By next time when you give gas out, so it will be maintained as 10 directly. Now I'm not going to release the oxygen out because your lab have other people using procedure sensitive to oxygen, so we just demo it at here. Do the same thing to the nitrogen to check the leakage. Is to let the nitrogen flow to its next stage. Then the pressure will going to its value. You can try to send the pressure equally for both gas, and let it go next step to let the gas to flow. Because this is nitrogen, I can let it flow. You can see we have sent this value. Now we directly let the gas go. We directly let the gas go. Then the value will go follow our last setting, 6 liter per minute. Then you can increase value or decrease the value. If the flow is not enough to maintain stable on your high value, you can a little bit increase the pressure from the regulator side, but don't increase too many. Then for the poker side, is also do the same. You can let the one to be flow to your poker side. When you finish the purging, you can close the purging gas and let it flow to the poker side. Then this one will going into your carrier gas side from here. Come into your poker, carry your phosphorus resources, then going back to your system and throw another side to go to your system. This one we have a demo this morning during the training. After finish the running, you can stop the poker resources and purging nitrogen for a little bit time during the cooling down stage. Then you close your gas resource. Let the gas resource release to zero. This one, if only use for yourself, you can choose to leave it or choose to release it, because our pressure use is very low, so you can choose to leave it at this predicted value. So by next time you close, you can keep it directly to your pressure. But for principal operation is we have to fully release it to protect the regulator and also for safety. So now both return back to zero. We do the same thing to another cylinder. You can close the cylinder for in real operation. You can close the cylinder for oxygen first and the nitrogen at the end. After the gas was finished closed, you can choose to vent the residues of the gas inside the valve. Then you close the system. Here you can also let it go open to release the residue gas inside, or you can also keep the gas inside the system, because our application pressure is low. It's not dangerous even you keep a little bit gas inside the system. But when you are using high pressure gas, don't forget to release the pressure residue inside the system.